Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest, most flavorful poached chicken you have ever tasted. It has zero added oil, massive protein, and will completely change how you view weight loss meal prep. Let's do it! Most people ruin diet chicken because they blast it with high heat in an oven or pan. All the moisture evaporates, and you end up chewing on cardboard. Poaching isn't just boiling chicken. It's gently cooking it in a bath of flavour. Because we aren't using oil or butter, we can save hundreds of calories while locking in the moisture. Here is the secret to making it taste amazing without adding fat: our calorie-free flavour base. We are using fresh dill and parsley, along with whole peppercorns and cloves. This infuses the water, creating a rich broth that sinks directly into the meat. Here is the critical mistake everyone makes: the water temperature. If your water is boiling like crazy, your chicken will turn to rubber. We want a gentle simmer. Drop your chicken breasts along with the rest of the ingredients and bring the water to a boil. Once it's boiling, immediately turn the heat down to low. We are going to let it poach gently for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your chicken. Do not touch it. Just let the flavoured water do the work. Look at that. You can actually see how juicy the chicken is. No dry spots at all. This keeps perfectly in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can shred it into a massive, low-calorie salad, mix into healthy tacos, or simply enjoy over some steamed vegetables. You can also put it in a container and have a quick shot of pure protein. Weight loss doesn't have to taste miserable. If this hack has saved your future diet meals, hit the subscribe button now. I drop new, low-calorie, high-protein recipes every single week to help you hit your wellness goals. Drop a comment below. What is your biggest struggle when it comes to diet food? See you soon.
It's calling me. Don't